Here's an existing spreadsheet we built before. It's just a small subset of items that were sold over a small group of months, and it works really well for us. However, not everyone works really good with looking at a bunch of numbers. A lot of people, they need to see some sort of graphical representation. Luckily, Excel makes it very easy for us to insert graphs. In my ribbon bar, I'm going to come up to my Insert tab. And notice I have a series of recommended charts as well as other typical charts that you can find. Let's say I want to create a bar chart. So I come over here and I can see I have 2D charts. I have charts that show everything in just one column and it grows based upon what item it is. I have 3D charts I can do. I can do horizontal line charts. But notice that in each of these, I'm also seeing my total and average. And that's not what I want. So I'm going to come over here and just select the cells I want to see. Come back, and now I see my information as I expect, including my totals, which is kind of important. Or I can maybe choose a line chart. And once again, you'll see different options here. So this lets me see different types of charts based upon what I'm interested in, and I get a quick little preview. Different types of charts will have different meanings. So for example, a lot of times if I'm doing a pie chart, I'm looking for percentages of a whole. If I'm looking for a bar chart or for a line chart, I'm doing based upon how things are growing. So I'm going to choose this 3D chart real quick. And you notice it automatically goes in here and puts this in. I see each of my elements, and I have color-coded based upon the month. I can click inside my chart title, change that, so sales totals for Q2, for example. I could further filter my data. So for example, if I didn't want to see total, so I can come into names, I can specify where it gets names from, etc. So inserting a chart is really, really simple if we have existing data to work with.